better return to port for that, Antonio Daddy.
Yeah. I'm coming back home.
Uh-oh. There it goes. By the way, the backwards button doesn't seem to be working.
Did anybody give one of the Marine cars?
You know, now all we need is a squirrel on the back of one of them.
That was hysterical. Now you know what we need is a couple of goose.
No, you never seen the squirrel that's on the that they bring to those outdoor shows on the boat?
Oh, Jesus.
That one was awesome.
See if we can't upload the video and send it to Mike and Deb.
Yeah. Fish are running around the pond now like, what the heck?
Where are the turtles? I see a turtle head over there. A couple of turtle heads.
Where?
In the middle, it looks like. Unless it's bubbles.
That's funny bubbles.
Watch the neighbors across the pond like, okay, I guess we know what we're going to have to give our kids for Christmas.
Look at my phone and just text it up there. Look at him, he's looking over here going, "Mom, easy, guys. Let's try not to hit each other. You gotta hit each other's weight and see how high you can bounce. Stop! John! It's a whole pond. How do you not? How do you hit each other?
How do plane crash into each other?
Mine's still floating. Mine's
Pilot
not in
error.
any of that. Mine's circling. Mine's running out of battery.
Yeah, well, put it in the water. It won't work unless it's in the water. They're not out of battery yet.
Thank you, John. You're turning.
Can I drive that one in?
Not yet. It's the skiing squirrel. That's what it is. They've got them on the back of it on a ski.
Daddy, why are you bringing it all the way over there? Don't blame me if you lose it.
I have to put a kayak on it and go get it.